Since last so many years, students are getting full 100. From the day one, they should practice. During the board exams, we all know that they have a lot of pressure. Everybody wants to get good marks.
Yes. Hello and welcome. We have Miss Aminder, the counselor and the psychology teacher at St. Margaret Senior Secondary School. Hello ma'am.
Hello.
Welcome ma'am. Today I am here to share some of my questions from you and take your experience as an answer. Ma'am, how do you think how students can balance the academic pressure and their emotional well-being, especially during the board exam preparation?
See, during the board exams, we all know that they have a lot of pressure.
Yes.
And the pressure is not only from the teachers, it is from the parents, it is from the society. Everybody wants to get good marks.
Yes, ma'am.
So to balance out all those things, there are few tips. First, they should exercise regularly. They should schedule their timetable nicely. Then they should eat healthy food. They should have enough sleep. And most importantly, they should do meditation and mindfulness exercises.
So this is ultimately will bring a balance between the academic pressure and their emotional
Yes,
well-being.
yes.
And ma'am, how about the academic preparation they have? They have so much of vast syllabus to prepare for. So how do you think, like what sort of practice strategies they should make?
From the day one, they should practice. Like if I talk about my subject, since last so many years, students are getting full 100.
Great.
Yes. So for each and every subject, from day one, when they come to class 12th, they should, or 10th, they should have a proper timetable. Like this time I have to do this subject, the weakest one they should focus more, they should talk to the teachers, they should talk wherever they feel like, they should go and prepare. And most importantly, they should give more of exams. When they prepare well, when they give more of the exams, they become more confident, and definitely 100 is for sure.
Ma'am, with all your great tips, I think students will be much relaxed during their preparation process.
Yes.
And I just have a question. When they have a question bank named with together with physical plus digital question bank. So how do you think, like, does it fix their problem of balancing their screen time, their study time and the preparations?
Yes, yes. It fixes everything. Yeah.
So they can, shift to that for their preparations while keeping all your tips in mind, and that all will go fine.
Yeah, the last thing I would like to add on, the major role in this balancing is parents.
Yes.
Parents should be aware. They should not pressurize. Yes, we as teachers, I know that being a counselor, I had been dealing with so many students. They are under so much pressure, and the most important pressure is from the parents. So parents must understand the psychology of the child. They should not pressurize. They should give time to the child. They should sit with the child. Like if the child is studying and the parent is on the phone, then they are not giving, good time. They should sit with the child, and definitely the things will work.
Great ma'am, great. You have really shared very useful tips for the students. Though we all know that what should we do, but until and unless it comes from a mentor, we are not ready to follow.
Exactly.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you for sharing such great insight for the students. It will help them to grow, to learn and to succeed. Thank you.
Thank you so much.